Welcome back. The political arithmetic in Mormugao Municipal Council has brought the two major national parties together. Mormugao NCP has expressed anguish over the fixing between BJP and the Congress in the recently held Vice Chairperson election. General Secretary Gregorio Fernandez has raised suspicion whether Congress wants to contest election with the support of BJP. NCP General Secretary Gregorio Fernandez has alleged that Vice Chairperson of Mormugao has won with the support of the BJP councillors.
आता हाली म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन जालें तितून तो डेप्युटी चेअरपर्सन म्हणून इलेक्ट जाला पूण हितून बरी व्हडली कॉन्स्पिरसी आहा. शरफुल्ला काँग्रेस, नितीन चोपडेकर मोर्मुगांव ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट काँग्रेसाचो, जे वोटिंग जालें ते 14:5 जाला. जे 5 जे पोजिशन आहा जेरी आनी तेजो ग्रुप तो एनसीपीचो आनी शरफुल्ला खान आनी जिखला तो बीजेपीचो सपोर्ट घेवन जिखला आनी बीजेपीचे MLA इटसेल्फ हॅज वोटेड फॉर शरफुल्ला. सो हितून दाखोवन दिता की काँग्रेस आनी बीजेपी हँड इन ग्लावज आहा वास्कोचे हितून कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन. जो बाब सुभाष शिरोडकर परतून म्हणटा की आमकां एनसीपीची गरज ना आमी वी वील गो अलोन, हें दाखोवन दिता की तो बीजेपीचो सपोर्ट घेवन इलेक्शन झगडोंक सोदता काय.
Meanwhile, social activist Tara Kerkar has alleged corruption at Veli Panchayat. She said Panchayat funds are misused as the works are without proper planning and haphazardly.
खड्डे गांव म्हणून एक आसा थंयसर, काल हांव थंय भोंवून येयलें. त्या गांवचो हो भुरगो आसा शंभावेळी, थंय वचून हांवें पळोवन येयलें. थंय 3 बांय मारल्या म्हणून सांगता, जाल्यार त्या गांवान 2 बांय मारल्या आनी अशीच झुडपां बिडपां आसा. त्या बांयक बांदल्या जाल्यार ही आतां हांगा बांय मारल्या तेंच्यांनी, हांगा इतलीं झुडपां आसा, ह्या बांय कडेन वचपाक लोकांक रस्तो ना. जाल्यार ती बांय कोणाक लागून बांदली, कितें करपाक बांय मारली. गांवचे जे वेळीप लोक त्या वाड्यार रावतात तेंची एफिडेवाचेर NOC घेतल्या, 4 आंगठे लायले पळय अशें, आनी तेंची ते वेळीप त्या गांवान रावता न्हू तेंची घेतल्या. भाडकार तो क्रिस्तांव, तेजी सायन घेवंक ना, तेजी NOC घेवंक ना, रोड कळ्ळो आनी रोड तो बरोबर ना. ऑलरेडी हांवें विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाक कंप्लेन केल्ली आसा की वेळी पंचायत सामके भरभरलेले आसा करप्शनाक.
Reporter Dishant Parab with Omkar Falari for Prudent. The Department of Transport has planned a smooth flow of transportation services for the Lusofonia Games to be held in January next year. The planning is not yet foolproof as the scheduling part depends on the accommodation of athletes and officials. Director of Transport Arun Dessai disclosed that they are looking for bidders to provide a huge fleet of 400 cars and 100 buses.
Director of Transport Arun Dessai briefed the media on Friday.
All VIPs will have this T1 service where exclusively a vehicle will be provided to him the moment he lands up in Goa and will be with him. Then there would be another service called as T2. This service will be on demand by game officials, the athletes, or as the case may be. And third one is T3, and T3 is the bus service. Number 1, shuttle service for all those people from parking till the game venue, because parking spots that have been identified are slightly away from the venues. Apart from this, there would be around 100 to 150 Kadamba buses which will be put in service. It is basically for shuttle service, and the services for school children who will be brought for the games.
Goa witnesses traffic problems on the highways, especially in the mornings and evenings. The games organizers will have to take this into account while scheduling the transportation for the competition. Desai revealed that they will undertake a recce to help in exact scheduling.
As they finalize the hotels, the accommodation part of it, as per the athletes and their event, what we are going to do is practically we will do one recce. That if the event is at 7 o'clock at Pedem, and if they are placed at Sidadi Goa, from Sidadi Goa if they have to start by 5 o'clock we will do a recce, to get what would be the exact time.
Desai suggested that the local agencies should show interest in bidding for the supply of cars and buses.
In the tender, we have made a provision of anyone who can supply 25 vehicles, 25 four-wheelers and 10 buses can also apply. It is not that all 400 vehicles and 100 buses, only one can apply who can supply that.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Bambore.
The much-awaited Kingfisher Voice of Goa finals will be held this weekend. Voice of Goa finalists will be announced on Saturday, 9th November. The grand finale will start on Saturday evening at Kolva Beach. KK will perform live for all his fans and audience. Don't miss it. KK will perform live for Goa at the Kolva Beach on Saturday evening. It's the crucial day for the three finalists in English and Konkani category to win the title of Voice of Goa. The three finalists in English category are Devashish Majumdar, Baby Gurum and Sebino Dias. In Konkani category, Sielda Pereira, Mangirish Darwadkar and Ulfa Khwaja have made it to the finals of Kingfisher Voice of Goa. Sachin Sulikar for Prudent. Apurva Gokhale and Pallavi Joshi enthralled the Goans at Kala Academy through their classical singing. 33rd Sushri Kesarbai Kerkar Smriti Sangeet Mahotsav witnessed a high-power and inspiring Jugalbandi. Music lovers were glued to their seats. This Mahotsav will continue till 10th November. Let's have a look at the Jugalbandi. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.